Eyebrows play a very important part. I do not shave my eyebrows. I have never plucked them. This is my natural eyebrows. So see, like I am all done with my makeup, but I'm not having my eyebrows done. So eyebrows play a very important part. If you are a girl who are having thin eyebrows, so I would highly recommend you. It just takes a little amount and you are just the fab girl out of it. So if you have seen my thick eyebrows in all of my videos in this way, so these are not my natural eyebrows. I have done a hack to excel this. I will be guiding to all of my girls out there who are having thin eyebrows. Let me clear this out that I do not shave my eyebrows. I have never plucked them. This is my natural eyebrows from birth, and I've never used a razor or never plucked it or never shaved it. Nothing I have done. This is all natural. But in all of my makeups, makeup videos, you would have seen that they are always so much groomed and the shape looks very good. So this video is gonna be for those who are curious about that how I excel such a good eyebrow shape without even plucking them and having that much of big pain on my face, because I just cannot let anyone pluck my eyebrows and making harm to this area. So I am not plucking my eyebrows, and this is gonna be a very simple routine. So if you want to know that how do I groom it, so let's start. Really, I don't use any fancy or expensive luxury products for my eyebrow grooming. I just one surma was kept in my home and nobody used to ever use this, so I thought that let's do something worth out of this. So yes, I have started using this surma over my eyebrows. Like if people can use it over their eyeline, so why can't we use it over our eyebrows? So that is the reason why I have started using this, and it has just excelled the entire game, that you will not have to use any fancy expensive 500, 200 or 1000 costed products, or those eyeshadow palettes, or even what we have, those eyebrow pencils. Which using any eyebrow pencil, it looks good on camera, but actually speaking, when you see it actually, like without camera, when people see you, the eyebrows look that they are fake. It is obvious, it just speaks out loud that I am fake. So this video is gonna be that if you want to fake your eyebrows, because we should fake it till we make it. So I know I'm never gonna have those perfectly groomed eyebrows, because these are naturally from birth and it cannot change now. So we can obviously fake it because we cannot make it. This is a KHOJATI Surma which have almond oil in it. It was like I don't know what the cost is, but it is below 100. It is this much cheap, and payoff and whatever this does is super. I am very sure, I can guarantee you that no other product, no other expensive product can compete this. This is legit the best product for your eyebrows, and I am using this from like 3 to 4 years now, and nobody has ever come to know that those were my fake eyebrows and these are my real eyebrows. My eyebrows are not that much dark, my eyebrows are not thick. As you can see, my eyebrows are thin, not that much thin, but still thin, but they are dispersed. There are still some silly hairs here also, and I am the person who does not like thin eyebrows. So in this video I will be guiding all of those girls out there who are interested in making their eyebrows thick, actually faking their eyebrows to be thick. And if you are still person who like those 90s thin eyebrows, because I'm not that kind of girl, I don't like it, I just hate those thin eyebrows. If you are that person, so please, you should save your time and skip my video. This is for all of my girlies who love thick eyebrows like this, and it is so much beautiful. And especially, and if you want to fake that your eyes are bigger, I feel like thick eyebrows always excel the look. So let's get started. So this product looks like this. there is an applicator here, like how you apply here over your eyes. So I know it can sound silly to some of you, but it is this idea just hit me over my mind like 3 years ago, and since then I think so there is no going back. I have used this in the entire package here. It just takes a little amount and you are done, and it looks like so good. So let's see it, because you must be thinking that I am just exaggerating it, but it's not that thing. I am sure that you will love it. This is great. Let's see. So all you have to do, this black eyeball which you see over your eyes, so you will have to look at the lateral margins of your black eyeball is where you get the angle, and if you get the angles perfect, you will excel your look with eyebrows. You will have to put a point here, straight above it, there one, just a small dot, not a line, nothing, just a small dot. I will first show you with one eyebrow, like what difference does it make.
A few minutes later.
And this is my eyebrow. It is green. Look at it. See me, answer my question. Can you say that this is not real until you see my real one? Can you see that? Or you will have to comment me down what I'm saying is true or I'm just hyping. And it actually makes your eyes look a little bigger, your face looks a little thinner, and this look changes the entire look. Just look at this. It looks so incomplete here, like this area looks so puffy, and look at this at the same time. It looks so filled and yeah, let's do the other eye as well. You will do the same. Look at the front, make a point here, and then we will make a point here, like how much thick. And always remember that it should, your front point here that you will make this here, this point here should be about this point. So can you see, like it is above its level. Now let's make very small dots for the corners. Let's blend it. You can use anything, brushes or your fingers. I use my fingers. And like when you are filling it, first you do the lateral side and then come to the 1/3 medium. Okay? And just make a pointy. Similarly, do it for here. Make it pointed upwards. Make it pointed upwards here, and then blend it outwards like here. And after you are done, bring it here. Just trust. Look at this. Look at this. My head. This is not because of my head. So you don't get shape it. Shaping is the important thing. Always make your tissue paper pointed and then do it, so that it gives you the perfect finish if you want. Okay, I think I did this side much more better. Done. This is my eyebrow.